welcome back to Shoreline Snippets week 3. So this is our Kofi June series, the freebie challenge. In this week we have some pieces of ephemera and we have some cutouts. We have a couple of little cutout template compasses. We have a little compass tag. We have a few more images here. We've got a little seaside map, or it's actually Coney Island, and we have this fabulous vintage postcard and a couple of other little bits of text here. Now I'm going to take my tags out because I think it will be easier to work with the tags out. Now, this little piece here, we made into a pocket. Now, I'm not going to do anything too elaborate right now, but I am just going to pop that. No, I'm not. Doesn't fit. Because I've come down, probably sewn a bit too far. Now, when I was making this, I did actually make this to size, but I didn't take into account I was going to sew. So, I didn't take into account I'm going to sew. So, what I'm going to do is just trim off a little bit of the top and a little bit of the bottom. I'm also just going to remove my sweatshirt because I'm baking. Glasses back on. Let's see if this fits. Yes. So that's going to go into there. It's going to fit into my pocket. So for now, I'm just going to leave that ever so slightly out of my pocket. Now I'm going to work on the back, which is here, and I've got this little map. What I'm going to do is turn this into a pocket. I'm going to line it up with my envelope, with my pocket. Come down a little bit. At the moment, I'm just using this as a template. And line it up. Hopefully it will be fairly straight. We might well lose the little text that does say Coney Island on there. Right, I'm going to cut the corners off like that. Chomp a little bit off that side. Use my ruler and my bone folder to just straighten, just fold that up. Before I fold it properly, I am going to check that it fits on my tag. Okay. I didn't turn this into a pocket in the digital because you might not want it as a pocket. It was just how I wanted to use it. So I made sure I've made it big enough to be... I've made it big enough to be a pocket, but you could quite easily use this. That's lovely. That's good. So let me just fold these down now. Fold them properly. Make sure that does fit nicely. Right, I think this is the one. This is the side I want it on. I want it on the side where I haven't put the text at the bottom. So at some point, at some point I must have flipped my flap, flipped my pocket the wrong way round, because I wanted my little pocket to go on this side, because on this right, okay, on this piece we've put the text on and that's the back. So this is flat here and I've got the little piece up the top there. I'm just going to ink my new pocket like that. You can put a little notch in here if you wanted to. I don't know if I'm going to. No, I'm not going to. I kind of like the top of that map. I'll glue these down. So yeah, thanks to everyone who has taken part. It's great to see that people are downloading the freebie. So hopefully it's being used more than I'm seeing, but it's great. It's great to know that it's being used. So that's now our little pocket. And now it's just a case of pretty much, so this is the front. Now I've made a little lighthouse. We've got the lighthouses here and here, and we've got the pocket on the back. So you can take your pick where you put your little extras. So I'm going to put this on the inside here, and I am going to glue this piece. So it just doesn't look exactly the same both sides. I'm happy that it looks the same. Obviously I've used the same tag, so it's going to look the same. But this will just break it up and make it a little bit different. So we'll add that. And then we've got lots of text and things as well to choose from. Now I'm going to use this compass, and it goes this way up. I'm going to add that here as well, just to give that a little bit more. Add my glue. Put that there. And now I think I'm going to use, let's use the, so I'm going to use the little chartered trip label. It's getting a little bit fiddly, so I'm going to use my lovely, going to use my little tweezers that I got from a good friend Vicky. Use these every day. Went a little bit over there. On with a little bit of glue. Let's put that there. Right, so this one has the full image on, and that's the back. This side, I'm going to just ink a couple of my spare pictures and pop those into my pocket. Like that. And I think I'm going to add this large one as well that we didn't use from last week. I'll put that in there. I'm going to ink my little tag. I'm going to glue that onto my pocket. So this is the front. Do I want to add anything else to that? If you wanted to, this should fit exactly across. So this would make a lovely little belly band if you wanted to add a belly band. I don't know that I want to add anything. I think I might add this Seaside Avenue label. I have recently re-inked my vintage photo, so it is pretty dark actually. I thought it was going to be a lot lighter than it has been. Probably should have thought about where I want it before I started. I think I'm going to have it here. Right. So in goes the little pocket tag. And like I said, you could add a little tab on this if you wanted to, but there's a lovely little journaling spot on the back there. Add him in. And then we've got the back here, which you could continue to decorate if you wish. You can add more labels and things like that. You could add some of the little fussy cuts. I'm just going to put my second tag in here. And then maybe in the back here, I'm also going to add my lighthouse. Maybe my little strip. Okay. So that is the little freebie project for June. We will be doing another one for July. Little pocket at the front there with our tag, which is also a pocket, and we've got the old vintage postcard in there. Very little decorating here, and then in here we have another little tag, and then on the back we have another little pocket with a few other pieces of ephemera. So I hope you enjoyed it. We didn't want to just assume, depending on how this goes, obviously we know we've got Creep on June going on, so we're not sure if it's going to be really good or really quite poor in the uptake. We really do want to see your makes in the Facebook group. I'm hoping there's going to be a lot of them this week, because this is the final part. Whether you've made things just from week 1, from week 2, or from week 3, or if you've put them all together to make one project, we'd love to see what you've done. We will definitely be running a 3-week project in July. So we'll have the first week of July off, and then it will run 2nd, 3rd and 4th week of July. It will be another project like this, where each week we bring out another page. If it goes well, we'll continue with the challenge in this format. We'll just see what happens. If it doesn't go well, then we'll just end up putting weekly pages or monthly pages in Kofi as we did before. But thank you so much for taking part. I hope you've enjoyed it. A little bit different. I will see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.